again and welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll check how to make homemade liquid laundry detergent. Ingredients you'll need: 150 grams 5.3 ounces of homemade soap. If you don't have one, go and check how to make one in my previous video. Or you can use a natural soap from the store, but make sure it contains no harmful additives. 3 liters 0.8 gallons of water, distilled water is best. 4 tablespoons of baking soda sodium bicarbonate. 15 drops of essential oils like eucalyptus, tea tree, and orange. Start by grating the soap using a fine grater to make it easier to dissolve. Heat the 3 liters of water until boil. Pour the soap into the water and stir continuously until completely dissolves. Add the 4 tablespoons of baking soda to the mixture. Stir thoroughly. Baking soda helps boost cleaning power, softens fabrics, and neutralizes odors. Cool the mixture. Allow the detergent to cool to around 35 to 40 degrees Celsius, 95 to 100 for Fahrenheit. This is important because adding essential oils to hot liquids can cause them to lose their beneficial properties. Incorporate essential oils. Eucalyptus oil is ideal for laundry as it naturally disinfects and leaves clothes smelling fresh. Tea tree oil is excellent for removing odors and preventing mold or mildew on clothes. A few drops of orange essential oil can enhance the scent, providing a refreshing, citrusy aroma. Transfer the detergent to a clean bottle or container with a lid. Shake well before each use as natural ingredients may separate over time. Use approximately 150 milliliters of this detergent per standard load of laundry. When you have white laundry, you can add additional 3 tablespoons of baking soda in the detergent compartment as enhancer. Homemade fabric softener. Ingredients: 1 liter 0.6 gallons of water, again, distilled is ideal. 200 milliliters 6.8 ounces of white vinegar. 2 to 3 teaspoons of baking soda. 10 to 15 drops of essential oil. Choose your favorite scent, such as lavender, lemon, or orange. Preparation: mix the ingredients. In a large container, combine the water, white vinegar, and baking soda. Be cautious, as baking soda and vinegar will react and fizz. Stir gently until the fizzing subsides. Add drops of your chosen essential oil for fragrance. Pour the mixture into a bottle with a tight lid. Shake well before use. Add about 50 to 100 milliliters of this fabric softener. Shake the bottle well before each use to ensure the ingredients are evenly mixed. Why these ingredients are effective: vinegar softens fabrics naturally by breaking down detergent residues and mineral buildup from hard water. It eliminates odors and refreshes fabrics without leaving an overpowering smell. During washing, the vinegar smell dissipates completely, so there's no need to worry about lingering odors. Baking soda acts as a natural fabric softener and deodorizer. Helps regulate the pH of water for a better cleaning effect. This homemade solution is eco-friendly, affordable, and customizable to your scent preferences, all while being gentle on the skin and the environment. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe.